We are living in a society that gets more and more data-driven. Therefore, we need more and more data centers. The challenge with data centers is that they are highly energy consuming, but we also need to cool the data centers with cooling systems using electrical energy. So at the end of the day, it's more energy on top of more energy. We have to abandon the solution using chillers and dry coolers, and we have to look at heat pumps. What can the heat pump do for us? It can actually recover waste energy from the data center. It can reduce the electrical power for operation of chillers and dry coolers.
Because you're already using the electricity for cooling, and you can use that same electricity for the heat pump, but then you can lift free heat available from the data center and heat up an entire city. Our heat pumps comes in these smaller modules, which are perfect for large-scale data centers, which are often built in stages and ramped up over time. So here the modular thinking is perfect. And if you want to be real sustainable, of course you have to choose a heat pump with natural refrigerant. Often when data centers are using conventional chillers, they would use a HFO or HFC based chiller, which is not good for the environment. That requires heat pumps which are designed for those conditions, and by using isobutane as refrigerant like we do, you have the perfect refrigerant for both the district heating grid and for the data center. So the data center has heat available maybe at 30-40 degrees, and the city requires heating at 80-90 degrees. Here isobutane is the perfect choice. It's a PFAS-free natural refrigerant.
We believe there's a huge benefit for data centers to use heat pumps. And the benefit is coming from three different areas. First of all, data centers have a chance to sell the waste heat. They can sell it to different applications like district heating, greenhouses, or other industrial companies. The second area, which is really interesting, is that they do not need any longer to use electricity for the operation of the chillers and dry coolers. So that would have a huge impact on the electricity bill. Then the third parameter is the PUE number. And basically we can improve the total efficiency of the data center by decreasing the energy consumption to their chiller and dry cooler. And in this way we have a more sustainable solution for data centers. Let's imagine that an energy company or district heating company want to use waste heat from a data center. First of all, they can purchase the heat at very low cost. Secondly, the heat is available in a very stable manner during the year, both summer and winter. And third, the heat is available at very high temperature, around 30 degrees, meaning that they can operate a heat pump in a very stable manner at a very high COP. This is really beneficial for the district heating company. With all that taken into consideration, Finity is here to help you with your new data center.